Are you an internationally educated nurse interested in immigrating to the USA? Have you been unsuccessful in the NCLEX and IELTS exams and are now worried about how you can immigrate to the USA without these exams? Worry no more. You can still immigrate to the USA and work as a foreign-trained nurse without taking the NCLEX or IELTS. Yes, you heard me right. It is possible. There are several nursing jobs you can do in the USA without NCLEX or IELTS, and these jobs come with free visa sponsorships. On that note, I welcome you to Everything Travel and Health. On this channel, I bring you informative, educational, and do-it-yourself content on how to achieve your dream of moving abroad for work or study. The National Council Licensure Exam, often known as the NCLEX-RN, determines your qualification to work as an entry-level nurse in the United States. The exams employ more critical thinking and analysis than the typical license exam. The NCLEX is one of the licenses needed for entry-level nursing. While these exams are not mandatory for all foreign nurses wanting to work in the United States, certain states may require them depending on their specific regulations. Additionally, some states may also require additional nursing practice or requirements for foreign nurses, depending on their specific field of practice or state laws. This is because the exam serves as a way to assess a nurse's knowledge and competency in order to ensure patient safety. Notwithstanding this requirement, there are several other nursing jobs that exist in the USA in which foreign-trained nurses can be employed without the NCLEX or IELTS. There are several employers in the USA who are in search of foreign-trained nurses to employ for these positions. The good part is that these jobs come with visa sponsorships. The employers are also willing to fund the relocation expenses for these nurses. Another beautiful thing is that you can also apply for U.S. permanent residency with these jobs, and you can migrate with your family as well. In this video, I will be talking about these nursing jobs that do not require NCLEX or IELTS and that come with visa sponsorships. I will also talk about the roles to be played by nurses in these job positions, the requirements, and how to apply for and get these jobs. Ensure you watch to the end to learn about everything you need to immigrate to the USA as a foreign-trained nurse without these exams. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so to enjoy more informative content. Also, like and click the notification icon to be informed of our upcoming content. Let's get right into it. There are several organizations in the USA that require the services of foreign-trained nurses to work for them. Most of these jobs require the foreign-trained nurse to work as a nurse's aide. Some of them are as follows. 1. Home health care. Home health care is one of the fastest-growing parts of the healthcare industry, and there is a great demand for qualified nurses in this field. Home health care organizations will usually hire nurses who haven't taken the NCLEX as long as they have a valid registered nursing license from their home country and a clean work history. 2. Nursing home. Nursing homes regularly hire nurses without NCLEX certification, another growing sector of the healthcare system. Along with looking after elderly and disabled patients, nursing home staff members may also be responsible for helping the patients' families. 3. Hospice care is a type of end-of-life care provided to patients who are terminally ill. Hospice nurses offer patients and their families emotional support in addition to delivering direct patient care. Many hospice organizations are prepared to hire nurses as long as they have a current license as a registered nurse and past hospice care experience. 4. School nursing. School nurses provide care for students in learning environments and may also be tasked with informing staff and families about health-related issues. Many school districts are prepared to hire non-NCLEX nurses as long as they have a valid registered nurse license and prior experience working in school nursing. 5. Industrial nursing. Industrial nurses tend to the needs of workers in factories and other industrial environments. They could also be in charge of instructing employees and their families in health-related matters. Many industrial enterprises will employ registered nurses as long as they have a valid license as a registered nurse, industrial nursing experience, and no NCLEX certification. Now, let's talk about the requirements for these jobs in the USA. To be eligible to apply for these jobs and get them, you must meet the following. 1. You must have completed a formal nursing education program. Whether you hold a diploma or a degree certificate, you can apply for any of these jobs. 2. You must have at least 1 year of bedside working experience. 3. You must have strong English speaking and writing skills. So, let's discuss how to apply for these jobs. You can apply for these jobs and get them all by yourself, without the services of any agencies or organizations. However, to fast-track your employment, you can also make use of some recruitment agencies. These recruiters do not charge any recruitment or placement fees. To apply for these jobs, one of the best websites to use is the trueprofile.io job site. Trueprofile.io Jobs is a great site for nurses looking for nursing employment in the USA without the NCLEX. In addition to newly updated nursing jobs in the United States, it lists hundreds of other open positions worldwide. Finding nursing positions without the NCLEX is straightforward with TrueProfile.io positions. Whether or not you have passed the NCLEX, TrueProfile.io also gives you the option to create and update your digital resume, which you can easily share with potential employers in the USA to improve your chances of finding a nursing job there. I will leave the link in the description box below. Other websites that you can also use are Indeed.com, SimplyHired.com. On these websites, you can search for nurse aide jobs or home health aide jobs, depending on your preference. The available jobs will be displayed. Check out the job description to be sure that it is available for foreign applicants, because not all are. Then, you can go ahead and apply for the jobs. However, if you choose to use a recruitment agency to secure these jobs, you can do so by contacting any of these agencies. There are several of them online. You can search them out. They will help you with the application process until you secure the jobs. Remember that you are not required to pay any recruiting or placement fees to these recruiters. It is entirely free. Two of these recruiters are Worldwide Health Staff Solutions and AMN Healthcare. The links to these websites are in the description box below. These nursing jobs are a great place to start, even though some of them might not pay as well as jobs requiring the NCLEX. Especially while entering the country as a new foreign worker. An advantage of immigrating with these jobs to the USA is that, while at the job, you receive assistance and support to help you prepare for the NCLEX exams. As soon as you pass the NCLEX exam, you will be able to review your employment and become employed as a U.S. registered and licensed nurse. This is a great opportunity, especially at this time when there is a shortage of nursing staff across the globe. If you wish to move to the USA as a foreign-trained nurse, without NCLEX or IELTS, then start your journey today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please hit the like button and share with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so to enjoy more of our informative content. Do not forget to hit the notification button to be notified of our future uploads. I'll see you in my next video.